Indonesia agri-food sector face urgent challenges such as the food loss and food waste and the socio-economic hardships of the farmers. The fruits and vegetables, which make up a significant portion of the food loss, 5.7 million tons wasted annually, costing over $320 million, produce carbon emission and methane gas that cause the climate change. Additionally, nearly 70% of the farmers live below the poverty line and inefficiencies across the supply chain. To address this issue, BIKI provides the holistic solution designed to build resilient in agri-food system, enhance productivity, and prevent the food loss and food waste. Our approach in the BIKI Point includes Kitobi Nanobio Booster, Cetasil Edible Coating, Traceability System, and assistance in the GAP and GHP. With support from the Global P4G, we empower 500 farmers with increased income and 100 women in 30 BIKI Points across Java, Indonesia to support gender equality in the BIKI ecosystem. We also prevent 3,000 tons of the fruits and vegetable loss, with helping to save the potential food loss 3 billion rupiah, prevent 1,500 tons of the carbon emission, and prevent the 150 tons of the methane gases. BIKI's contribution to the food security and reducing the food loss has won the Indonesia SDGs Action Award 2023, 8 international awards, and more than 30 national awards. This shows the BIKI commitment to supporting the national food security, improve the welfare of the farmers and women involved, and maintaining environmental sustainability.